About a year ago, we painted this 1956 Ford Fairlane that belongs to my Uncle Larry. He's completely restored this car and built it so that they could travel and show it off at a lot of different local and national events. He finished it up in June 2019, and he's already driven it to California and hot August nights in Reno, Nevada. I can't wait to show you how beautiful this car looks finished. Let's go check it out. The grill that you see is brand new. Other than that, all the stainless that's on this car is completely original. The chrome has either been replaced or replated. He also decided to put these really nice Foose wheels on here. All of the suspension is brand new. It has Fat Man 2.5-inch drop spindles and brand new disc brakes. This build has a brand new engine and transmission. It's got a 302 cubic inch engine with an AOD transmission, all connected to a 9-inch Ford rear end. This 302 has an added Elderbrock top end kit, Headman headers, and an American billet serpentine belt system. He really wanted to keep the engine bay looking nice and neat, so he made this custom panel that hides the heater and AC hoses. You can see that they run up through the side over here. He went ahead and installed one of these custom sound radios. It's made to look completely original for the car, but everything's brand new. He's also got some of these speed hut gauges. They look really cool. It has a Flaming River steering column, and it's also got a low car shifter that you can see over here. The door card and armrests are completely original. They have been reupholstered. And he's also got a hidden kicker speaker that's back behind here to go with his custom sound radio.